Okay guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Khadija. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today we are featuring Tinashe Hair. Today we're featuring their 14-inch 13x4 BODYWAVE wig, and this is their packaging. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I received in my package. I received some grab clips, I received some eyelashes, I received a wig cap, received a tail comb, received a bonnet, and we also received a edge brush. Finally, this is our wig for today. It is their 14-inch 13x4 BODYWAVE wig, and this is it. It is 200% density, and I love working with this company. They always send me good hair. Like, their hair, the density is so high and it looks super silky and super nice. I love working with this company, and their lace is always super thin. So this is our lace. It's already plucked and ready to wear. This is it. It is a 14-inch BODYWAVE wig. If you want to get this hair, the link is down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Tinashe Hair, their website is also down in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and put a wig cap on. Alright guys, so I have my wig cap on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace. This is what our lace is looking like without foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. This is our lace with the foundation on. This is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. Once again, today we're featuring Tinashe Hair, and this is their 14-inch 13x4 BODYWAVE wig. If you want to get this wig, the link is down in my description for purchase, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. I did go ahead and remove the excess lace from the back of the wig because I really do not use that. And I didn't put the straps on, but I did adjusted the straps that are on the inside. So yeah, we should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of powder around the edges again, just so it's really like blended with my skin. But yeah, this is what our wig is looking like. I'm totally in love with this. I'm totally in love with this wig. All right, so now I'm about to install my wig, and today I'll be using the olive oil wig grip spray as always. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out because I like to cut the ear tabs out before I install my wig. I just feel like it holds better. You know, it holds way better when you cut the ear tabs out. Sometimes you gotta cut off some excess hair so that your cap will sit better, so that your lace will sit better. But yeah, this is what it's looking like after I cut the ear tabs out. Just gonna go ahead and glue my wig. I like to use some alcohol and just remove the makeup because the glue holds better when the makeup isn't there. Now that we removed the makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glue, and I always like to apply 2 layers of glue before I put my wig on. Sometimes I don't show this on camera, but I actually do 2 layers. The first one I let it dry like probably like 98%, and then the second layer I apply and I let it dry for like 90%. You know, it's the right consistency to apply the lace. So I'm gonna go in with my glue, and then we use cool air to make it sticky and get the consistency that you want. So this is my first layer, and it's not dried and it's not wet. It's just perfect. It's the right consistency. So I'm just gonna apply another layer. This is like 98% dry, but I'm gonna apply another layer. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my lace down. I'm gonna start in the middle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my comb to like press it in the glue, and then we apply it little by little, piece by piece. Basically what I'm about to do now is to apply glue to the outer layer of the lace, just so we get everything that did not stick to the layers that we applied beneath the lace. We're just gonna apply a little bit of glue. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation around the edges, and that'll be it. This is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck my part. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and make some baby here. All right, so today I'll be using my Latte Body Mousse to make my baby here. All right, guys, so this is our baby hair for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, and then we finish up our wig. But once again, today's wig is sponsored by Tinashe Hair, and this is their 14-inch 13x4 body wave wig. This is the results so far. I totally love this wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig, but if you want to get this wig, the link is down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Tinashe Hair, their website is also down in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up our wig. Alright guys, so I'm finished curling my hair and these are the curls. I'm just gonna go ahead and run my finger through it. So this is the finished look. Once again, today we're featuring Tinashe Hair and this is their 14-inch 13x4 BODYWAVE wig. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is down in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other hair from Tinashe Hair, their website is down in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.